Pvsys Energy Group proudly presents the GSO Outdoor Integrated Cabinet, an all-in-one energy storage system integrated with an efficient solar hybrid inverter, high-capacity LF battery, and reliable energy and battery management systems. With a capacity ranging from 100 kWh to multiple megawatt-hours, this product effortlessly meets the energy demands of solar projects of all sizes. Its flexible design supports both AC and DC coupling, accommodating various energy generation setups. The plug-and-play prefabricated design simplifies installation and reduces costs. Safe operation is guaranteed with the cabinet's energy and battery management systems. These enable the unit to operate at peak efficiency by optimizing performance and minimizing downtime. Equipped with low voltage ride-through and high voltage ride-through functions, the product guarantees grid stability and an uninterrupted power supply. Featuring a highly efficient integrated inverter with a 95% efficiency rate, the product is durable with its IP54 protection rating, safeguarding it from dust and environmental factors. For over 13 years, Pvsys has supplied top-tier solar products to over 50 countries.